Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, just checking in here on social. Couple things. So people ask what have we been doing. Last night and all morning we were buying against the 50. 47.25 was the best that it can do. They wound that all the way up to right around 2,800. For anybody that wanted to get long later, we did a long pretty much off the open when it defended VWAP right here against 77. So people caught the back end of that. We were long until we got right into, when we got into this 75, 76, 77 area, which corresponds on the daily chart with the third standard deviation lower band. At least it did at the time. You got to remember, Bollinger Bands are moving targets. When it converted that area to the downside, that's when we said, okay, well, we want to flip short. We get short against 78, short here, and we rode that down into the area of 48, 49. What it's trying to do right now is put in kind of a double bottom. It's hop back up to 60. I don't know if that's going to work or not. We've covered everything. So for us in this Globex session, last night stretching into this morning, we're sitting at about 51 handles. So another great day. Glad to see so many new people coming in and checking us out. So we'll see what happens from here. The bulls have to convert 60. Then they would have to convert 75 and 77. If the bears can convert 47, then we're kind of into blue sky to the downside. We'll have to see what they have or what they don't. So I'll be back with a midday update a little bit later. We'll keep updating on social. It's a very volatile market. Please be careful. Respect price, respect risk. Don't get stubborn. We could have got stubborn on the 77. How would that end up? Don't do anything really stupid. Okay, don't be greedy. All right, take your profits where you find them. All right, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon.